help people navigate their Medicare journey. What I like to do is ask you questions and find out what your plans are in retirement. Are you going to travel a lot? Are you going to stay home? These are all important things when we're looking to choose a path that makes the most sense for you. But I'd like to talk about a specific thing today that comes up sometimes and people ask, and I think it's a valid point and it's something that you really need to understand. With some plans, you actually go into a situation where you have an in-network provider system, which basically boils down to in the area that you live, you have a group of doctors who service that plan. So if you leave that area, say you go to a different town, a different area, maybe even a different state, you may not be in network if you needed something. So let's look at a couple different scenarios. Scenario number one, you go out of town and you get an earache and you say, you know what, I think I'm going to need to go to the doctor. That would be most likely an out-of-network doctor's visit, because if you've traveled outside of your network, the doctor that you see would have to be someone outside the network. So depending on your plan, it may be at a discounted rate for reimbursement or it may not be covered. Now, let's say scenario two, you've traveled and you have a situation that's life-threatening and you need to go to the emergency room and have emergency medical care. Even if that provider is out of network, it's going to be covered as in network, because it's most important that you take care of yourself and you get the treatment that you need for a life-threatening situation. No one wants you to second guess should you go to the doctor in a life-threatening situation. So I wanted to give you peace of mind to understand emergency healthcare is always going to be covered by your plan. Hope that gives you peace of mind. And always, if you have questions, I tell my clients this all the time. When in doubt, pick up the phone, give me a call, give your agent a call, ask the question just so you can enjoy life. That's what retirement's about.